So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually make money on other people's life. These days, live stream is taking over. Many TV stations are being closed right now because people prefer to watch live stream, social media live stream than TV stations, right? So because of this, a lot of people are actually making money on live stream even without going live. So you don't need to go live for you to actually make money. You can also make money with other people's life. Like you can actually make money from Pela's live stream, Javi's live stream, Kata Efe's live stream, and other big influencers. So I'm gonna be breaking down how you can actually make money with their own live stream in this video. So but before then, I want you to watch this video.
Kata Efe talk say clippers are making a lot of money. Una say they lie, and I go mention people who say they make millions, 10 million in a week. Man, number one, classic media. Classic media is making more than 20 million from clipping. Number two on the list, Dollar Valley's clips. That guy, Muna go find that one by myself. Now go see say that one they make nothing less than 15 million every week. Another blogger, Sonny Blog It. Sonny Blog It is making nothing less than 30 million every week. Another one, Nelson.
So basically what this guy actually mean in this video is that a lot of clippers are actually making money with other people's live stream. So recently Kata Efe came out and said that as a clipper, if you clip his live stream and you post it and tag him, that he's going to repost it. What Kata Efe means is that when he's going live and you screen record the live stream and edit it and upload it on TikTok or Instagram or any social media at all and post it and tag him, that he's going to repost it. Why he's interested in this clip is that with these small clips, it actually shows the funny moment of their live stream, and when people see these short clips, it will trigger them to also join the live stream. So this clip actually helps to promote that person's live stream. In America, most streamers actually pay clippers to clip their live stream. A lot of clippers are actually making massive money just by clipping people's video, right? So in this video, I'm going to explain many ways you can actually make money as a live stream clipper. Okay, so firstly, the first way to actually make money is by posting these clips every day consistently on your page. And basically, when you keep on posting this every day without getting copyrighted, TikTok is going to monetize your page and you will start making money right there. So as a beginner who actually want to make money on TikTok, you just need to understand that TikTok has their program which they call Creators Reward Program. What they basically do right here is that once you reach their criteria, which is 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and you are up to 18 years, and also your account is up to 30 days, TikTok is actually going to give you a platform where you're going to be signing up and you are going to join this program. And once you join this program, you'll be able to be making money off your videos. When people watch your videos, you make money. And you should make sure that this video is above 1 minute, because if the video is below 1 minute, you cannot make money. So if you are actually running this clipping, you should make sure that your video is always above 1 minute for you to be able to make money. Just in case you cannot wait to reach a TikTok criteria, which is the 10,000 followers, 100,000 views, we say monetize TikTok page. What you need to do is to click on the WhatsApp link in the description and it will take you to my WhatsApp. When you come to WhatsApp, we negotiate. All these TikTok page sell out very quick, so chat me up if you need a monetized TikTok page, right? So if you're in Nigeria, you need to understand that TikTok Nigeria doesn't pay. So for you to actually start making money with this, you just need to create a US account, which is very simple. I already made video on how to create a US account or UK account without using VPN. You can actually create it easily with your phone without using any VPN. I'm going to be putting the link in the description. Just watch the video in the description, and it's going to teach you how you can actually do this, because I made video on that like I think 1 year ago, right? So if you are in Nigeria, all you need to do is to create a US TikTok account. UK is still okay, but I prefer US because US actually pays more than UK. So many people will testify that, right? So once you've created a TikTok account, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually go and join these people's live, like Pela's live. Pela always goes live, join his live and screen record the live. After screen recording the live, what you're going to do is that you are going to watch those videos and go to CapCut and cut out all those funny moments that you feel like people would easily react on. And all you need to do is just once you cut it out, then you edit it properly and put some kind of captions, to make it different, just add value to the video. So I'm going to be making a video where I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to edit this video, which is going to be the part 2 of this video. So after watching this video, it's important for you to subscribe to this channel, because the next video is how to actually edit this video. In that video, you can see that guy stated that a lot of clippers are actually making up to $10,000 every month. Do you know what is $10,000? $10,000 is about 10.6 million or 10.4 million naira as of the time of making this video, right? So if you are making up to like 10 million naira every month, that's a huge amount of money, and you don't even need to stress yourself going live. All you need to do is just to watch other people's live screen, record it, and edit it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit it in my next video, so just make sure that you subscribe, right? So, and another secret you need to understand in this game is that in this business there is a lot of competition right now, because we know that a lot of people want to watch Pela, a lot of people want to watch high speed, a lot of people want to watch all those big streamers, right? So this will now become a competition, and there are a lot of clippers that are actually clipping these people. So but you need to understand that in every business there are still some people that people want to watch, that a lot of people's attention are not there right now. So let me give you an instance. You see somebody like this guy Skies. This guy Skies that used to kick chairs on TikTok is a rapper, the rugged rapper from Abagana. You see that guy, if you are clipping that guy's live stream, you are going to be making a lot of money, because most clippers are not currently on that guy, and that guy is actually giving a lot of views. When you post that guy clip, you see how many views you are going to be making, and the guy actually goes live every day. So all you need to do is just to follow him and follow up his live and screen record the funny moment and clip it, edit it very well, and post. Boom, you'll be able to make money off it, easy peasy. So this is exactly how you can actually make money with other people live stream. So I'm going to be making video where I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to actually screen record. I'm going to be showing you how to put this video in CapCut and how to edit it. So it's important for you to subscribe to this channel. I'm back, and from today I'm going to be giving you guys video back to back. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.